Good morning students. Welcome to our new video of English subject. Today our topic is about a fish, and that is unit 4, A Little Fish Story, which is written by Anna B. Comstock. This is the writer name of the story. So here is it is a small story about a fish. कि एक फिश है जिसको द फिश इज नॉट हैप्पी. ये स्टोरी है जो हम रीड करेंगे उससे आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. सो जस्ट कीप अ पेंसिल इन योर हैंड एंड टेक अ बुक इन योर हैंड एंड स्टार्ट रीडिंग अलोंग विद मी. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द स्टोरी अ लिटिल फिश स्टोरी ऑन द पेज नंबर 38. I'm reading first para. There are a great many millions fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. So here student, you just underline the word million. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented. Contented is also a new word for you, so underline contented. But he was not happy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. He was unhappy because he was very small. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish. Mite is also a new word for you, so underline that also. He would say over and over again, if I were only larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. Underline the believe word also. I'm reading on to the fourth para. One day, he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he, when suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Means meshes is also a new word for you, so underline it. And great is also a new word, so underline that word also. Now next paragraph is, there was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its hull was pink. So here till this you have in this paragraph, floundering is the new word for you, splashing is new word for you, drown and howl. Underline these 4 words in this paragraph and come to the page number 39. Emptied is also a new word for you, into the boat. The smallest fish in the school wriggled. Wriggled is also a new word for you, through the mesh and slipped back into the cool clear water. How good it felt. He swam, last paragraph, he swam here and there and everywhere. And some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. So students, here we have read the chapter and I have told you to underline the hard words. As I'll explain you the story, I'll tell you the meaning of it. So let's start the story. Here, as you have understood by reading the story, that this is a story about a small fish. Students, आप सबको पता है कि we find the fish where we have seen the fish. We have seen the fish into the oceans, right? Into the seas. There are millions of fish into the seas, but there is one small fish in the story who is not happy. जो happy नहीं है. So he is saying something. The fish is saying something about it. Gradually, as I'll read the story, I'll explain you also. So let's ready. There are a great million fish in the seas. So new word for you is million, means a big number. Means this number can come into the thousand. Million means a 10 lakhs, right? So this comes into thousand. A biggest number is a million. So into the seas there are million fish into the sea, but the story is about just one of them. मतलब million fish में से ये story सिर्फ एक की है, and a very small one at that. जो सबसे छोटी है, जो सबसे छोटे fish है, उसकी story है. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented. Means कि ये fish के पास सभी चीजें, उसने सभी चीजें अपने लिए available करके रखी है seas में, to make him contented. Contented means happy, खुद को खुश करने के लिए. So this is also new word. Contented means happy. खुद को खुश रखने के लिए उसने सारी चीजें अवेलेबल की है इनटू द सी, बट ही वॉज नॉट हैप्पी. फिर भी वो खुश नहीं है. यू विल लाफ व्हेन आई टेल यू व्हाई ही वॉज नॉट हैप्पी. आपको हंसी आएगी व्हेन द राइटर इज गोइंग टू टेल यू कि वो क्यों खुश नहीं है. ही वॉज अनहैप्पी बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी स्मॉल. अब उसको क्यों खुशी नहीं है? क्योंकि वो सबसे छोटा है, इसीलिए उसको खुशी नहीं हुई है. सो दिस इज ओनली द रीजन स्टूडेंट्स कि वो खुश नहीं है, क्योंकि वो सबसे छोटा है, सबसे छोटी फिश है वो, इसीलिए उसको खुशी नहीं है कि मैं सबसे छोटा हूँ. ही वॉज वेरी स्मॉल. लेट्स कम टू द थर्ड पैराग्राफ. इट इज वेरी हार्ड टू बी सच अ लिटिल माइट ऑफ अ फिश. मीन्स कि hard meaning is difficult. It is very difficult to be such a little mite. Mite means बहुत छोटा of a fish. मतलब कि fish के लिए बहुत difficult था कि वो सबसे छोटी fish है पूरे sea में, पूरे ocean में. उसके लिए ये बहुत difficult था कि वो सबसे छोटी fish है. So third word is hard. Hard means difficult. And the fourth word is mite. Mite means very small, सबसे छोटी. Now he would say over and over again. Over and over means again and again. वो कहता है if I were only larger. मतलब over and over again and again he is what he is saying. इससे कि अगर मैं बड़ा होता. larger is comparative degree. It is large and it is the comparative degree of large. So larger means what he is saying, if I were only larger how much happier I could be. मतलब कि मैं भी बड़ा होता तो मैं कितना खुश होता. And he said it's so many times that I think he believed it. मतलब कि वो कह रहा है कि ये बहुत टाइम ऐसे हो चुका है कि मैं ये सेम चीज सोचता हूँ कि मैं बड़ा होता ना. छोटे तो सब होते हैं. You are also small. So are you happy or not? But the fish is not happy. But the fish is small. So this is only the particular reason कि the fish is not happy. Okay. Now coming to the fourth para is one day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. Like what they have said कि one day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking. मतलब कि school means a group of fish. So here the new word is school. School is a group of fish जहाँ पे वो सब fish के साथ swim कर रहा था. That is means fish का जो group होता है उसे कहते हैं school. Into the sea you have seen many of the fishes are there. Many of the fish are there. So जो उनका group होता है that is called school. So what is saying, when he was swimming along with the rest of his rest of his friend, he was thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. मतलब कि लार्जर जो फिश है उसको कितना थैंकफुल होना पड़ता था. When suddenly, मतलब कि वो सबके हेल्प ले रहा होगा. When he was swimming, he was playing with someone, तो उसको हेल्प लेनी पड़ती. Again and again he used to be thank you to the rest of the fishes. तो उसको ये गिल्ट हो रहा था कि मुझे बार बार सबको थैंक यू कहना पड़ रहा है. तो ये यही सोच रहा था कि मैं भी बड़ा होता तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. So thankful for them he, when suddenly with no warning they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. मतलब कि यहाँ ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर वो दूसरे फिशर्स के साथ खुद को नेट में, मीन्स मैशेस इज अ न्यू वर्ड दैट इज यूज्ड फॉर नेट. आप सबने देखी होगी फिश को कॉट करने के लिए जो नेट यूज होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड मैशेस. ओके, सो बड़ी सी मैश में, बड़े से नेट में जब सारे फिश कॉट हो जाते हैं, सो वो भी कॉट हो जाता है. तो व्हाट ही इज सेइंग कि when suddenly with no warning they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. बहुत बड़ी नेट में वो जब कॉट हो जाते हैं. Now students, you have seen the fish was not happy because उसने ट्राई किया था when he has to mingle with all the rest of the fishes and when he used to be play with all, he used to be thankful to everyone. उसको बार बार सबको थैंक यू कहना पड़ रहा था. तो वो यही सोच रहा था कि मैं बड़ा होता तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होती, मुझे किसी को थैंक यू ही नहीं बोलना पड़ता. तो इसीलिए वो अनहैप्पी था. राइट, अब इतना हमने ये स्टोरी में देख लिया. अब रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी we'll see into the next video. By the time, what you have to do, you have to learn these words, hard words, and you have to learn the new spellings which I wrote on the board and I made you underline. ये सारे spellings जो है वो आपको learn करने हैं और next story हम, rest of the story हम next session में continue करेंगे. Thank you and have a nice day for observing the video.